Hello. We have made quite the big investment. I think you guys will like this a lot. Let me turn my camera around for you. Right, I'm keeping it secret so I can build tension, I suppose, but I can't drag it out any longer. Here you go. This is our new Volkswagen T25 Leisure Drive. It's a H-Reg 1990 high top. It's the new project for the channel. Got a lot to do, but such as like bodywork and stuff, and some of the rear light stoke work. It's called Melvin, but we don't know if they've changed that yet. I have heard that it's bad luck to change the name of a camper, but who knows. You probably noticed this. It's got quite a bad water leak and oil leak as well. My dad says it's coming from the water pump, which hopefully we could just replace that and it's not that big of an issue. And then there's more rust around here, but I think and hope and pray that it is just surface rust, so it shouldn't be too hard to fix. Got the port here for the campsites. Don't know if that works yet. We're going to try all of the electrics some other time. Here we've got the driver's side. I'm not allowed to start it up because of that leak, but I'll post a video in the editing for you now. Got your swivel seat over there, turns around so you can face your lovely friends while you have a cup of tea in the morning. Dashboard stuff I'll show you further in detail when we get inside. Here's the front, which you've seen first. Here's the extendable telescopic aerial and some more rust. Hopefully that'll just come off. The windscreen wipers, they work as well. Yeah. Right, I'll jump in now so I can show you. Got the table that you can turn around to fit wherever you're sitting. Got your fridge down here. Don't know if that works yet. We did try, but couldn't tell so far. Again, we'll probably try and get that working in a future video. We've got a drawer here with some crap in it, and then another drawer with the cooking supplies. For the stove, this is the thing for the table down there. Yeah, anyway, here's the stove. Little guard thing there, and you can turn this on whenever we get some gas, which we don't currently have. We're going to put those in later, and a water can as well. Now, I don't know how I'm going to do this, so let me just put the table back real quick. Whew, that was tough. But I have replaced the table. I put it back where it belongs, up there. These are the bottle holders that came with it. Here's the sink with a hole for the tap. The tap is somewhere, I don't know where it is, but we'll be fitting that at a later date. This cover is going to come off because thankfully it is just a cover. As you can see, the original seat is somewhere under there. So let me just take this off for you. Under seat storage, the bed thing has just fallen on me. Get off, you stupid thing. Go away. Right there. Yeah, anyway, under seat storage we've got fire extinguisher. That's going to get moved. The seatbelt buckles, all that good stuff. Then in here, some more storage for you. Seatbelt. And the best part, if I can do it one-handed. Come on. Oh, not move now. Oh, why won't it move? Come on. I am the stupidest person on earth. It had the lock on. There we go. So now it'll come down. There we go. Oh, a bit shaky. This is the coolest feature. The rock and roll bed that you can sleep on. So, can comfortably sleep two in here. There we are. Get a nice view of the table. What a sight. and then out the window and back up there and all that. So yeah, that's the rock and roll bed. And up here in the roof, got some storage back there, windows on either side, some lights which do work surprisingly. Yeah, I forgot to show you this. This is the battery with the switches. This is a water pump. You can hear that work, but obviously it's not pumping anything. And then that is the light switch. So we got lights in here. Leave that off for now. Up here is the extending bed, which is a pain to pull. But there you go. You can sleep two up there as well. Feet go down there, heads up here. And then you got the air vent so you can breathe, which is always lovely. Next, moving on to the driver's area. Got the steering wheel here, which is absolutely humongous. Horn doesn't work. Oh, so the horn does work now. That's nice. That did not work before, so that is a surprise to me, as much as it is a surprise to you. Got the radio, some things, American flag, which we got from a diner, and then here's the glove box, some random bits in there, the fuse box. Got your cigarette lighter, storage thing, yeah, and all these switches. All the lights do work, apart from one reverse and one fog light. So that should be relatively easy to fix, I hope. But yeah, that's my van. I'm very happy with this. This is probably the best purchase I've made in a while. We'll definitely be taking this on holiday as soon as we get that oil fixed. So let me just quickly chuck this back up, and I may be able to show you the engine bay in no momento when I do all this one-handed, because I'm the only one here right now, which is nice, isn't it? But shouldn't be too hard. You might get some weird angles with the camera. Oh, God's sake. I apologise for that. If I could have a cameraman right now, I would. Come on, you know you want to. Just give me a second. There we go, all done. Right, I'll move back to the back, because we have a ladder which you can climb up. I'm not going to do that because I'm doing it one-handed, and that's not a good idea. See if I can get the boot open. There we go. Boot. Got your wardrobe for your clothes and all that. And then I'll take this off real quick. Just realised you need to put the bed down to get to the engine bay, so time to take that off again. All done. I apologise if this seems rushy, by the way. I am very excited to show you this, and I'm struggling with everything, and I'm struggling to know where to start. Yeah, I'm struggling to show you everything. Under there is the Beetle engine. You'll know what it sounds like earlier, because I will have put a nice little sound clip for you, an audio clip, seeing as I'm not allowed to start it because of that dreadful oil leak. But hopefully in the next video we'll get that sorted. Oh, that is absolutely exhausting, but I have got that back now. So let me just quickly shut that. There we go. And I believe that is everything. We're going to put a ladder on there so you can get up to the bed without standing on everything, because that's not very nice. I suppose I could quickly show you the swivel chair if you would like. Not a lot of room when it is swivelling, but hopefully you can see the beautiful action of the chair. Also might change these covers as they are very faded. This is the bin for now. Then we've got this paintbrush to clean all the interior. in the next video, hopefully all of this muck and stickers and stains and all this stuff, hopefully it'll all be clean for you, so you can get a decent look of how it's going to look when it's all completely finished. So yeah, I think that's going to do it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one, where we will be doing some more things. I'd tell you, but I can't predict the future, so you're just going to have to see. Yeah, as I said, this is going to be a great series, I think. Lots to do, many episodes to come, and maybe I will make some videos of our travels we go on in the van. I'm sure you guys would like that. So yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.